Right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to enable mobile access for multiple drivers in your Tesla. Okay, so first things first, guys, you want to open up your Tesla app. Okay, grab your phone and open up the Tesla app. Make sure you're logged into your Tesla account, guys. Okay, and then what you want to do, guys, is access the vehicle control. So once you're in the app, you want to select your vehicle from the list. This will take you to the vehicle controls and settings. Then, guys, what you want to do is you want to tap on manage drivers, okay? Manage drivers, or you want to look for the option that says add a driver. This feature allows you to, manage your driver access for your Tesla. And if you want to add another driver, you have to send an invitation. So what you do is you enter the email address of the person you want to grant access to. They will then receive, okay, here. What's going to happen? They will receive an invitation on how to download the Tesla app if they don't have it yet. And once they receive the invitation, the new driver actually needs to accept it. And after accepting this invitation, they will actually have access to your Tesla and they can actually control it, guys, with their own app. And that's it, guys. Now you can enjoy shared access to your Tesla with family or friends. Hit that link in the description, guys, to upgrade your ride even further. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe and